Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Invoice Fly App. Invoice Fly is an easy-to-use invoicing app built for freelancers, small businesses, and self-employed professionals. It's designed to make creating and managing invoices quick, professional, and stress-free. Whether you're remaining or managing multiple clients or just starting out, the app offers a clean interface and simple tools to help you handle payments more efficiently. Users can create customized invoices in just a few steps, add your client's details, or include your services or products. You can also send invoices directly via email, WhatsApp, or any other preferred method without leaving the app. They also allow you to track which invoices are paid, pending, or overdue, helping you stay organized and follow up with clients on time. And before starting a project, you can create quotes or estimates and later convert them into final invoices. It also supports professional receipt generation once payments are received. You can upload your company logo and add your signature, and adjust invoice templates for a more professional and branded look. Invoices can be downloaded as PDFs for sharing, printing, or record keeping. This makes it easy to store and access them later for tax or accounting purposes. And finally, one of its standout features is that it works offline. You can create and save invoices without an internet connection, and they sync automatically once you're back online. But the free plan includes only a few invoices templates, so you'll need to upgrade for more customization. Currently, Invoice Fly doesn't offer a desktop version, which might limit users who prefer working on a laptop or PC, and some users report that syncing data between devices or backing up invoices can occasionally take longer than expected. So overall, Invoice Fly is a practical invoicing solution for freelancers and small business owners who want something lightweight, simple, and effective. It's especially convenient for users who often work from their phones and need to send invoices on the go. While it has a few limitations in its free version and lacks desktop access, the app still offers excellent functionality and user-friendly experience for managing your billing process efficiently. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.